Hey everyone, I'm Brianna with WTI, and right now my stomach does not hurt and I am not bloated because I have been taking this amazing supplement. This is Zenwise's No Bloat Probiotic Supplement. So I was really needing a good probiotic per the recommendation of my doctor, and this one has helped a lot. I love this 2-pack because since they're shelf stable, I can keep one in my house and I can keep one in my purse for when I eat out and I still have my probiotics with me. So first of all, it has 1 billion CFUs of probiotic. This also has Zenwise's proprietary no bloat herbal blend. So it has turmeric, ginger root, dandelion extract, fennel powder, and cinnamon extract. All things that, in addition to having probiotics, are going to give you a happy, healthy digestive system. So speaking from experience, this really has helped. It's very easy to take. You just take 2 a day with a meal. So I like to keep these out near my dining table so that I remember to take 2 a day. Right before I eat is when I like to take them. So if you're looking for a good probiotic that's going to help with bloating, it's going to help with gas, and it's just going to give you a healthier digestive system overall, check out Zenwise's No Bloat supplement. It has worked for me. I think it's going to work for you too. Give it a try, but that's just my point of view.